very important thing.
The Border Security Force Meghalaya Frontier is celebrating its 58th Raising Day today. On this occasion, Inderjeet Singh Rana, IG BSF Meghalaya, stated that the BSF Meghalaya Frontier is strongly dominating the 444-kilometre stretch of international border with Bangladesh and undertaking various confidence-building measures and public outreach programs to cement the relationship with border population of Meghalaya. He said that during the year, the BSF Meghalaya Frontier seized smuggled goods of more than rupees 25 crore, which include cattle, drug and narcotics, gold and various other items. He said troops of BSF Meghalaya left no stone unturned to make the border safe and tranquil. It may be mentioned that the BSF was raised on the 1st of December 1965 by Padma Vibhushan K.F. Rustam IPS.
It is our duty to look after the interest of the local population also and the security situation also on the international border. We consider both the things, and we always work with the state agencies. We are working in a very good coordination with the state agencies.